Okay, so it hasn't stopped raining ice, and I just thought that I'd make a second video. Look at all that ice. It's a whole bunch of ice. Look at that. A whole bunch of ice. Wow. It's covering all the yard. It's a lot of ice.